guys, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will sharing with you my Mongolian beef recipe. My Mongolian beef recipe, you will need a third a cup of cooking oil, a third a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of beef broth, a third a cup of cornstarch, 1 pound of flank steak cut on the bias and against the grain, a fourth a cup of dark brown sugar, a fourth a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a half a tablespoon of minced ginger. This is optional. 4 dry chilies, you can leave that out if you don't like spicy stuff. The bottoms of 6 green onions cut about 1 inch long, and for the slurry you will need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to start the recipe off by taking our 1/3 cup of cornstarch and we are going to put it on our flank steak. We want to try to cover as much of the steak as we can. So you need to just flip it around so all the sides can get some cornstarch on it. Now that all of our steak is covered with cornstarch, we will set this aside. Now we are going to mix our 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and our half a cup of beef broth. Now we are going to set this aside. Now we are going to turn a large skillet onto medium-low heat. And we are going to add our 1/3 cup of cooking oil into our skillet. Now that my skillet is hot, I will add my steak into the skillet. Steak in a single layer. If your skillet is not large enough to accommodate that, then you will just do the steak in batches. Once you get all your meat, you will turn the steak and brown them on both sides. You will cook these for about 10 minutes until they are fully cooked. Now that our steak is browned on both sides, we're going to make a little well in our middle of our skillet. And we're going to add our ginger and our garlic. And we are going to saute this for about 30 seconds. Now that our ginger and garlic has been sauteing for about 30 seconds, we are going to add our light brown sugar and our dark brown sugar into the pan. Now that our dark brown sugar and our brown sugar is mixed well, we are going to add our soy sauce. And we are going to mix that well. Now that our soy sauce is mixed well, we are going to add our dried chili peppers and the tops of our green onions. We're going to mix that up well. Now that we have that mixed, we're going to add our broth slurry into our skillet. And we're going to mix this until it thickens. Now that our sauce has thickened, it is time to plate. I have paired my Mongolian beef with some garlic fried rice, some steamed broccoli, and some kimchi. If you are ever in a crunch and you need to get dinner on the table fast, you should give this recipe a try because it is fast, easy, and delicious. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.